Hello everybody, my name's Rob. Hope everyone's okay, and I'm looking at today another Photoshop tutorial, and this time we're going to be looking at blending modes. Now sometimes when you take a picture, depending on the subject, it can be very light or dark, and we're just going to look at a few ways to fix it. So in this example, here's one of my friends water skiing, and a simple way to try and fix this, as you can see the background's quite dark and he's quite dark in his wetsuit as well. So let's try and fix that. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate the layer, so Control or Command J to duplicate, and we're just going to change the blending mode up here. So the blending mode at the moment is set to normal, and we're just going to change it to screen. So screen up in the blending mode options. So we're just going to change that now to screen, and look what happens. Straight away it's made the background brighter, you can see some more colours, and it's made the foreground a bit better as well. So let's look at another example. Here's Harley, my son, playing under a bridge, and let's try the same on this example. So hit Control or Command J to duplicate the layer, and we're going to change the blending mode to screen. And straight away, look, you can see more detail in the bridge, and the foreground is a bit brighter as well. But on this third example we have a problem. The background colours are not too bad. Alright, we could spend a bit of time doing stuff to the sky to bring it down a bit, but look at the foreground. Look, he's very dark, you can't really see him. So let's do a couple of things. Let's try the same thing again. So Command or Control J to duplicate the layer, and we change the blending mode to screen, and look what happens. Okay, it's not too bad, but the sky is completely blown out, but the foreground is not too bad. So what can we do to combine them? Well, we can use a layer mask, of course. So with the blending mode set to screen, let's put a layer mask on this layer here, but if you hold Alt or Option and press on the new layer icon, layer mask icon, it hides the layer with a black mask, and now we can simply paint over the foreground. So make sure your colours are on black and white by pressing the shortcut D. If my keyboard's going to work. And we want, because it's a black mask, we want the paintbrush to be on white. So flip them over by pressing X or clicking on the arrow. So now with the opacity set on about 50%, we can just paint over the subject here. So I'm just going to paint over very quickly. And you can even size it up, and I'm just going to paint over these rocks very quickly, just to bring them out. There we go. Very quickly. You can spend more time doing that. So that's after. So this is before, and that's after. Very quickly. So experiment with blending modes. My name's Rob. Take care, guys. Please leave comments or questions, and I'll try my best to get back to you. Take care, guys. See you next time.